How you doing, everybody? This is Lloyd here, long time no see. I'd like to tell you about a free English workshop which English TV Live is going to be hosting for this Halloween. English TV Live, by the way, is the organization which I work with. I'm one of the co-founders, online English learning platform, and we have a free English workshop for you, which we're going to be hosting on Facebook, inside my Facebook group, Lloyd's Everyday English. And it's going to be hosted from Monday the 29th of October until Wednesday the 31st of October, which is Halloween Day. And the theme is how to overcome your fear of speaking in English. I know a lot of our viewers, our followers are scared of speaking in English. And since it's Halloween, which is pretty scary, we thought this would be a good time to help you to find out the tools to overcome this fear of speaking in English. So what I want you to do, if you would like to join this workshop, click on the link in the description of this video, and look, let's do it together right now. So you are going to go onto the link, and then we're going to go to this website, and you can see there's this button here, Get Started. So this is going to subscribe you to our chatbot, Toby. So at English TV Live, we have this chatbot. His name is TobyBot. He helps everything to run smoothly at English TV Live, and he will give you some free resources and help you along with the challenges during the workshop. And all you need to do is click on this button here, Get Started, and then you will receive a message let's see if I can do it now. You will receive a message in your messenger. I can see I've just received one now. So make sure you click on that and subscribe to TobyBot, and then follow the steps that he tells you to do, tells you to follow, and then we will see you inside the group for the workshop. I can't wait to see you inside there, and just remember, it's a free workshop starting this Monday until Wednesday. If that sounds good to you, hope to see you there, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye-bye, and happy Halloween.